You're gonna run into the wall. Good job.
She's got a case of the shanks there, doesn't she?
Hi. Good job. Good job. Now get it out of the way. Wait, she can't. Can you move it so she can watch? Good job.
Are you dancing?